The city is a kanji book. Let's read it. 駅ステーション店 shop 学校 school the learning place 国 a country walled around Read the town at your own pace 駅 was a horse at the resting post Old horses now the bullet trains 駅はどこですか You asked before Now read the sign No guessing games 駅店学校国 The town is yours to read 店 is a roof with a fortune shelf The shop